Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. The National Water Commission has introduced a special 3-month amnesty for small business operators with outstanding water bills. The initiative, which will run from September 1 to November 30, is designed specifically for micro, small and medium-sized enterprises. Under the program, a 50% write-off is being offered to 2 categories of small business customers: accounts that are inactive and disconnected for more than 3 months, and active accounts with debts of more than $30,000 for over 6 months. In addition to the discount, customers who qualify for the relief will also get a 100% waiver of reconnection fees where applicable. The NWC says accounts that qualify will be granted up to 3 months to clear the remaining arrears without disconnection. In special cases, the NWC may also approve a negotiated settlement. Barita Investments says it is boosting its cybersecurity systems. Chief Security Officer Stephen Philibert says financial institutions remain prime targets for cyber threats because of the large volume of money and transactions they manage. He says Barita is the most targeted company in its sector, and strengthening its system is key to protecting client assets. To the stock market now, the JSE index lost 1,432 points today, while the junior market declined by 12 points. Among the 39 winners, Express Catering, Caribbean Cream, Main Event Entertainment Group, Palace Amusement, and 138 Student Living Jamaica. The 44 losers include A.S. Bryden and Sons, the Jamaica Stock Exchange, Mayberry Jamaican Equities, Cygnus Credit Investments US dollar shares, and Dollar Financial Services. 23 stocks traded firm. Foreign exchange trading ended with banks and cambios selling the US dollar for an average $160.88. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $117.31. The pound is going for $217.30, while the euro is selling for an average $190.65. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Good evening.